Hi guys, nakarating ng market. Ayan. May pa-ice cream ang mga alaga na ang kabila. Isang doon Come here, oh. Manora. Come here. Sama ko sa Atenena.
TikTok.
No, it's la video. Only video. Ang kulit. Ang kulit ni Manora ay Umar.
Ko na yung batang ko.
Ayun, ang kulit nila. Ayan sa Atenena.
Kambal kami today.
Oh, kambal kami ng damit. Nakarating ng market lang paligo-ligo. Kasi bigla lang ako tinawag. Omar, come here. Ha? Saan naman yun?
Don't take again. Omar?
Omar, where your Omar, give me your ice cream.
I'm yelling.
Sa cashier tayo, guys. Pinasamahan ng amo ko tong mga apo niya. Dito lang naman sa malapit sa bahay ng market. Come here, come here. Look your slippers na maglog. Baliktad yung tsinelas.
My boob, yeah. Look at I'm going like this. Baby.
And then what's that?
Muddy.
Madre. Omar, behave.
Baby.
Don't be like that. Come here.
I like it like that.
No, 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 no. Gulo ng mga alaga.
Diamond for your highlight. Money. Robot.
Look, the cover your this one, oh. Give me.
Looking at the well. That's my stuff. My stuff.
It's okay, it's okay. It's all make isab.
Nina, for you.
No, no, it's for me. Pakulit ang mga bata, guys. Yala, yala. Yala. Ayan na sila. Magulo. You can buy in the trolley. Have a chance also. What you
Go
buy?
trolley.
What you buy in the trolley?
I don't know.
Yala. Yala. Nashkuro. Yala. Go, go, go. Saan yung ice cream ko? Akin na. At lalapain na natin. Nasaan? Yala, let's go.
Fatura.
It's okay. Put in the plastic.
Then you hold this one. Yalla, let's go trolley.
Trolley daw na naman sila, guys. My gosh. Trolley, magkano lang yung barya nila? Trolley?
الحين انا بشتري كلاب ترولي اوكي عشان
Guys, ice cream tayo kahit malamig ang panahon. Mga batang makukulit, guys. Ice cream tayo, guys. Wait, wait. Wait.
Bacha.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yala, come. Bye-bye na, guys. Pahaba na yung live ko. Ay, live video. Thank you very much, guys.